coffee brewing right here. Get ready to go. Oh yeah. Homemade, baby. If you ever wanted to know, this is what having a little one makes your car look like. Oh yeah. We got Chex Mix down there. We got sunflower seeds. We got a marker that's still open. We got this little smiley spoon from Sonic. This is how some of y'all should be looking at it. Y'all got y'all tax refund. We got my man Falcon, Captain Falcon over there. Oh yeah, we taking this baby to go get vacuumed out. Oh yeah, you guys know I like free. See, you got to look for the opportunities where they are. Let's go ahead and get this free vac popping off. Look at that. Oh boy, that's beautiful. Look at that here, guys. Getting it all up. Got some wipes here too. We're gonna go ahead, wipe off the dash a little bit. Make sure everything looks nice and purty. You guys been enjoying this style of video so far. I wanted to switch things up a little bit and show you guys a little bit of a vlog slash daily life while also dropping these gems. But in today's video, I wanna inject some love and some positivity into the ether right now. Right now, it's all doom and gloom. Everyone's talking about the economy. There's layoffs. There's people in debt. We get all of that, and that is forever right now, right? Like, that is all around us. But as with my channel, it's not to just be a doomer. It's not to just continue to spread this doom and gloom. It's good that we learn the battle that we're fighting against. It's good that we realize that this is an issue that we're all having. We're all in debt, not me, but we're all having this trouble and, you know, saving money and buying things we don't need. Okay, but it's time to start talking some encouragement. Listen, guys, we can still have the things that we love. Sometimes it just might require us to downsize. Sometimes it might require us to take an alternate path and still find something in which we truly and really love. But we get so caught up in what the status quo is, we think we have to reach that specific thing that's out of our pay grade, that's out of our budget, that's out of our bracket, in order to be happy, when in reality, there are alternate pathways to get to something that you might actually truthfully and really enjoy, okay? So that's kind of me right now. Like, I'm thinking about the next car that I want to get, right? And I know I'm talking about saving, but I have a car fund that we like to save for, right? And the next car that I get will be something equivalent to my 99 Camry that brings me the reliability, that brings me the joy, that brings me what I'm looking for, not what you're looking for, not what you think I should have, not what my coworkers think I should drive, not what my parents think I should drive, but what's going to be efficient and reliable for me and my family in this season that we are in. And like I've told you guys on previous videos, man, I'm thinking about next the Toyota Venza. Man, that baby's been on my mind for a long time. I'll get the 2009 version too. I don't care about years. I don't care about all that stuff. As long as it's reliable, it doesn't break the bank, and it keeps me out of debt, it is my favorite car of all time, all right? That's the way that I view cars. I've also been thinking about a Toyota Matrix. You know, me and my wife right now, we kind of need a hatchback slash wagon type of vehicle right now for our needs, and we're looking at these options, guys. There's always still that Lexus ES out there as well that's on my mind and on my heart. But all of the car talk aside, I am making my goals achievable. I'm setting goals that are realistic within my situation right now, not forever. See, a lot of people think they have to give up on their so-called dreams, and I use dreams loosely because they may just be dreams that's been implanted in you. These are dreams that have been given to you from other people's perspectives and thoughts of you. So make sure it's really even your dream in the first place. But these are cars that I feel like I am seeking and that I am looking for right now in this crazy, crazy economy that we can go and buy outright or purchase outright that fits our needs. Same thing when it comes to clothes. I just ordered me a new set of tank tops. I found the ones on sale. They're still tank tops. They do the exact same things as any other tank top. You know what I mean? It all starts with the mindset. It starts with how you're looking at the goals that you have set for yourself. Everyone thinks that success ultimately just means the material wealth and possessions that you have. when the truth is success is honestly subjective. A successful person could be the person who truly enjoys their job every day. The successful person could be the person who is, being a great dad or being a great mom or just being that motivational role model for their children, or creating something with the skill that they might have, using their skill sets to make people smile, using their skill sets to improve and involve the community and impact the community. We got to get out of this idea that this success and this wealthy is you driving the latest Mercedes Benz and going to a mansion, and then you got your Tesla robot, and then you got your, if that is success, man, keep it. Keep it. That's too much of a hassle for me. It might work for you, but for me, I'm a simple cat, man. Where y'all think y'all see me wearing my jacket all the time? The same jacket, because I don't care what you think. And it works for me, and I'm saying this with all love. Y'all know I love y'all. Shout out to all of my viewers who are continuously showing me support, hitting up all my videos. God bless every single one of you guys. I love y'all. But I feel like the brown coat is iconic right now for my channel. So I'm not taking it off until this weather in this area start getting a little bit warmer, all right? But I like to live my life as an example of my values. I don't let anyone compromise these values. And in fact, you could look at me and you could probably see where my priorities lie. And if you can't, that's fine. We can get to know each other. But I like to use my life as symbolism, because we're visual beings, and we always think, oh, we know the whole story. We know the whole book by just looking at a person from the cover. But you really don't. You don't know me. I don't know you. We don't know each other's story. Y'all don't know how much money I got. I don't know how much money y'all got. But we think our outwardly possessions reflect the true wealth that we have. And that is just one of the biggest loads of crock and lies I think we've ever received in our lives, guys. I think we have to wake up from this. So I just wanted to encourage you, shift your mindset. You can still have the things you want. People think with my videos, I'm saying you can't ever buy anything. It can only be frugal. It can only be this. It can only be that. But guess what? I still believe in you having your own personal goals. If you want that type of car, if you want the latest Toyota Tacoma, why don't you go grab a 2019 or 2018 or 2017? Why do you have to have the 25? Why do you have to have the 24 or the 23? You can still accomplish a lot of the goals that you have for yourself. Just shift it, just alter it a bit. And who knows, you might be happier that you did that. I'm just saying, give yourself an honest chance and a realistic chance to hit some of the goals that you may have for yourself. Start shifting your expectations to what you really need and not exactly what you want. I'm a teacher, and they always say that we should teach what the children need, not what you know, right? So the children need role models. They need true guidance. They need realistic world skills. I could teach them my whole textbook that I learned, right? I could teach them that from A to B, all of the terms and everything. But how will they apply that into the real world? How will they actually be able to add that to their lives with value in a realistic sense? Maybe not. But if you teach them what they need to know, that comes from a completely different place, because you're taking yourself out of the picture and teaching them what they need to know. You're being selfless while you're being a role model, a teacher, and an example. So do the same thing with your life. Be an example for yourself. Go back to your goal book. If some of you guys don't have goal books or wrote it down somewhere, get more intentional about writing your goals so that you are not swayed by the perspective and opinions of others, or even close and loved ones and relatives. Have your goals solid somewhere. Don't tell anybody too. I'm gonna make a whole video on why you shouldn't be telling everybody your goals, right? So for me, it's about internalizing these things and finding the best path to get to the things that you really want to accomplish. And I think that has just been perverted in today's climate. We have these goals, but then some of them just get misconstrued to no ends, right? So again, one of the biggest things I've been working on, I've been making a lot of home coffee. I'm changing right in front of you guys. I'm doing the same things you guys are doing. I'm not just making these videos and then saying, look at me, I'm a YouTuber, I make videos, I'm better than you. No way. I am actively practicing. When I go back and watch my own videos, I hit myself, I'll be like, man, that was really good that time. But no, man, listen, I am practicing right along with you. Guys, we've got to change something, or people are getting laid off. People are going into debt to live every day, day-to-day life. I'm telling you, shift your goals, shift your mindset. If you don't know how to do that, sit down, talk to God, talk to your loved ones, talk to your relatives, talk to your spouse, sit down with yourself, look at your goals. What are the things you want to accomplish? Go back in there and see if there's an alternate way to reach something that is just as good, but it may be a little different. You can have the lifestyle you want. You just also have to have discipline. It's really that simple. I'm still getting my daily coffee. It's just I'm making it at home now instead of being tempted to spend $4.75 at Starbucks every single day to get half of this. All right. So I'm about to go ahead and head out, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like real and raw and content like this about finances, personal development. I love you guys. Shields Media is out of here. God bless you. Peace.